Hello everyone, this is Karunara and I welcome you again in Oratex. In this lecture, we are going to understand if a user gives the input a value, then we will find if that value is power of 2 or not. So the meaning is if a number is given over here, suppose this is 35. So we need to find out if the 35 is a power of 2 or not. So yes, it is not a power of 2. Why? Because like the numbers which are power of 2 are like 0, 1, 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 2 4, 2 to the power 3 8, 2 to the power 4 6, 2 to the power 5 32. So like this, these are the numbers which are power of 2. Okay, so 35 is not, so it should tell that yes, 35 is not a, it should, the logic should find out that this value does not contain the number which is power of 2. Okay, for that what we are going to do, first of all we will save the project, save it as find power of 2, and this is a .c project, save it. Okay, so these things are not required, loop is not required here, this variable is also not required. Okay, so yeah, this logic is required, but so with using this logic we will find out if this value has the same value or not. So how we are going to do that, we will put a if condition and we will use this logic, and if this a ending of a minus 1 is not equals to 0, if this is not equals to 0, then this is not a power of 2. Okay, so we will print it likewise. A is not power of 2, and we will make a else condition. A is power of 2. Okay, so if this logic doesn't give us the 0, that means it is not power of 2. So this is very simple logic, and let's run and check if it works or not. So there is some mistake, it says. Okay, I forgot to close the inverted double commas, and yes, it says a is not power of 2. Okay, then what is power of 2? 32 is power of 2. Let's check that. So a is power of 2. Yeah, 32 is power of 2 now. Okay, anything else? Like let's check for 64. A is power of 2. Yes. So see, with the same logic we have done the three outputs we have got with the same formula. So we have developed three logics with the same formula. So this formula is very important. It can help you in developing three different logics, and in the field of embedded it is very important that uh, you use some formula which can give you so many outputs. It helps you to save the machine cycles of the microcontroller in the execution. So yeah, so I hope you like this video, and please subscribe to channel, share with your friends if they want to learn the embedded, and keep watching, keep learning. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.